Hello everybody, hello fans of this amazing club. Welcome back to Chelsea camp. We'll bring to you unlimited updates concerning Chelsea Football Club. And you know how we do it here, straight to the point, no wasting of time. Please, if you are new to the channel, please help us by subscribing. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button so that you get notification anytime we post. Please help us as we celebrate Chelsea Football Club. So today we'll be starting with Eden Hazard transfer rumor. For some weeks now, there's been rumor flying up and down everywhere and then that Eden Hazard wants to make a Chelsea return. And the news reaching our news desk today is that Real Madrid has reportedly made contact with Chelsea over Eden Hazard transfer rumor. Everything is still rumor now. There has not been official statement by both parties involved. But according to the sports outlet that supply us with the information, there is contact between Real Madrid and Chelsea over Eden Hazard transfer rumor. Going over to the next news, Chelsea is facing fallover over Christensen's future. Chelsea is really confident that they will make the Danish defender stay, but there has not been any contact between the two parties for the 2 months now. Christensen wants to stay, but the long-term contract offered to him will see him, it will give him a specific pay rise, but it will keep him amongst the lowest earners in the squad. Christensen, normally defenders are always being neglected, and that's one I know. This is one of the reasons Rudiger is fighting for his right. If Rudiger in his form now is a striker, every club that is coming for him will be willingly, even Chelsea Football Club will be willing to offer him that 400,000 per week. But being a defender, defenders are always neglected in a team. Their work, everything concerning defending and goalkeeping are always neglected. So Chelsea should try to talk this out with Christensen. On a similar note, Rudiger is likely to leave as a free agent this summer because there is no sign of agreement between the two parties involved. Both the Chelsea camp and the Rudiger camp, there is no agreement between the two parties, so there is likelihood of Rudiger leaving Chelsea Football Club. What's your thought on this? If you want Rudiger to stay, let me see your comment on the comment section. Moving over to the similar news, Thomas Tuchel wants Christensen to stay. In an interview he said Christensen is very strong and reliable. He has not reached his limit because of his age, and so there is room for improvement. Maybe because he is an academy player, he knows what it takes to play for a team like this. Our gaffer wants Christensen and Rudiger to stay, but the transfer talk, there is no improvement, especially with Rudiger's issue. There is no much improvement in the talk between the both parties. On Christensen issue, Christensen really wants to stay at Chelsea, but he wants his offer to be a little bit, up to the standard of others. You understand? So, moving over to another news, there have been 2 replacements offered to Chelsea camp for the replacement of Rudiger and Christensen. Delight and Juventus Delight and Sevilla Jules Koundé is a nice replacement, but Delight is rated at 130 million pounds, which I know that Chelsea is not willing. Chelsea is not willing to spend such amount of money on a defender. And Jules Koundé issue, I don't know how to put it, but Sevilla has been been like unstable with Juice issue. Juice want to leave. Sevilla is Sevilla is not ready to let the defender leave. So, and now news reaching our news desk today is that Barcelona has joined the race for Koundé. After Koeman's sacking, Barcelona reportedly joined the race for the signature of the France international. So let's see how everything goes. So on this note, we will be concluding for the day. Please help us by sharing with your friends, share with your relatives, share with the fans of this amazing club. Let's celebrate Chelsea Football Club together. Please subscribe. Till I see you guys next time. Bye. Love you.